The Lexmark CX532adwe MFP color laser printer delivers high-performance color output and professional-grade durability for demanding work groups. This multifunction powerhouse achieves print and copy speeds of up to 33 pages per minute. Powered by a 1.2 GHz quad-core processor and 2 GB of memory, it processes complex graphic files and heavy workloads with ease. The integrated automatic document feeder supports single-pass, two-sided scanning at up to 98 images per minute, ensuring rapid digitization of double-sided records. Users interact with the device through a 4.3-inch color touchscreen that offers a tablet-like experience. This intuitive interface allows for the creation of customized one-touch shortcuts to streamline frequent workflows. The CX532adwe features a standard 250-sheet input capacity, which can be expanded to 2001 sheets with optional trays to maximize uptime. It produces vibrant, consistent color quality at 1200 by 1200 dpi resolution, making it ideal for marketing materials and detailed reports. Security is a core component of the Lexmark architecture, featuring a full spectrum of protection that covers the device, the network, and all points in between. This model includes a standard Trusted Platform Module, TPM, for secure encryption and authentication. Connectivity is comprehensive with built-in gigabit Ethernet, high-speed USB, and dual-band Wi-Fi. It supports mobile printing via the Lexmark Mobile Print app, Apple AirPrint, and Mopria. The steel frame construction and long-life imaging components ensure a high monthly duty cycle of 100,000 pages for years of reliable service in any professional environment.